Supreme Court National Herald case Kamari Lenana, Congress Lusingba, Sonia Gandhi, Amadi Rahul Gandhi, Gimatakta, SARS file, Totally Basi, Congress Mingchat, Thinaba Hotnabani Haina, AICC Joint Secretary, Mathew, Antony Fongdokre. Ngasi BT Rotalaiba MPCC Office the Pang Tokiba, Paugi Mifamamada, Mathew, Antony Namaka Taraduna. BJP na lamdamasigi chakot lambi amadi miyamgi aifanaba taubagi mahuta Congress pu namthanaba honaduna leire. Enforcement Directorate na paiba case singda convicted ki sangasi supna gi chada amani aduga ataina rural party ki mayokta leiba political party singi matakta chada maftrani pan ED na case register tauduna leire. Modi lengakna ED asi mahaki mikhalgi Department oina lana sizinaduna Mingchat Thinaba honaduna leire. Sonia Gandhi amadi Rahul Gandhi su BJP na muthatnaba honabagi mahuta India Miam Yaifan Tabak to Oina, one of you Haiki. Manipur da Sahi Ani Fazilak Laba Irangasi, Loishan and Abonabagi Mahuta, Congress the Oina, Tainaduna lady. BJP in the House Manipur the Totally Irangasi, Loishan Mangamdriba Asida, Langak Paiba Haiti, Haibagi Mahuta, Congressna, Kari Tauki Haina, Tiduna lady. Masigi Mahuta, Lamdamasida, Awana Tadun Leriba, Miam Gidama Kari Tausige Kanbi Amadi, Sakot Kongtangi Lamda, Mangzil Tana Bohonabu Haiki. Paugi Mfumadu da AICC member Okram Ibobi Amasu MPCC President K. Megasandrasu Sarviyaki.
It is the insecurity, it is the inferiority of the Modi government and the BJP to cover their entire administrative and governance failure as well as to cover their extreme right-wing fundamentalism. And because of the fear that the Gandhi family and Congress party has a place in every single heart of every Indian, they are so scared that if that remains, they will find it difficult to come back to power again. The power of BJP is a short-term phenomenon. It is a Congress party who fought for this country much before. BJP has nothing to say about the freedom struggle of this country. They have no legacy. They are a party of cards which has been a house of lie cards, a house of cheating, a house of misleading the people of the country.